Good morning, Nina.
Oh, Tom, hi. Come sit with me.
Hi, Nina. Wait a second. Let me grab some coffee.
You were on vacation, right? Come on, tell me where you went, how it was. I can see you got a nice tan. Did you fly to the sea?
Yes, we flew to Egypt, to Hurghada, with my wife, with Anna. We had a whole story there.
No way. What story? Tell me now.
Well, the place itself is amazing. We booked a hotel called Sea Star, right on the beach. Everything was fine until we landed.
What happened? Was the flight delayed?
No, the flight landed on time. We took off early morning. Everything went as planned. The problems started at the airport, at baggage claim.
Oh no. Don't tell me you lost something.
We didn't lose it, the airport lost it. We're standing by the belt, waiting. Other people's bags keep coming one after another, but ours are nowhere to be seen.
Seriously? Where did they go?
We wait 10 minutes, then 20. The belt stops. Everyone grabs their bags and leaves. And Anna and I are standing there alone, like two idiots.
No way. So, what did you do?
Anna looks at me and says, "Tom, where are our bags?" And I have no idea. I'm thinking, damn, looks like we've got a problem.
God, I would have panicked in your place.
We went to find a staff member. We found a desk with a sign that said, "Lost baggage." There was already a line, 10 people or more. Turns out, we weren't the only ones with missing bags.
Wow, that many people at once?
Yeah, can you imagine? Anna said, "Well, at least we're not alone." I laughed, but it really wasn't funny.
So, what did they tell you at the desk?
The woman took our tickets and passports. She asked what the bags looked like. I described them. 2 blue ones with wheels. She typed everything into the computer and gave us a claim number.
How long did they say you'd have to wait?
She said 1 or 2 days. The bags might have stayed in another city. Anna looks at her and says, "1 or 2 days? All our clothes are in there."
Come on, that's a nightmare. And how did you go to the hotel without any of your stuff?
That's exactly what we did. We only had small backpacks with our documents, phones, and some money. Nothing else. We got a taxi and went to the Sea Star.
What did they say at the front desk?
We explained the situation. The girl there really felt for us. She said, "Don't worry, this happens sometimes." She gave us our room, but the mood wasn't great anymore.
I can imagine. Was the room at least nice?
The room was great. Sea view. Everything looked nice. The hotel gave us toothbrushes, soap, and shampoo, but no clothes. The first night we slept in the same t-shirts we flew in.
I bet it smelled great in the morning.
That's exactly what Anna said. We both laughed for a long time, though honestly, it wasn't really funny at the time.
What happened next? Did you go shopping?
In the morning, we went to a shop near the hotel. We bought t-shirts, shorts, flip-flops. Everything was cheap. But why did we even need a second set of clothes? Anna said, "Well, at least now we'll have souvenirs. New clothes from Egypt. I said, "Come on, these aren't souvenirs. This is just life happening to us."
You and Anna make a great team, joking around even in a situation like that. Did you keep calling the airport?
We called several times. Every time it was the same thing. No information yet. Anna started getting nervous. She said, "What if they never find the bags?" I tried to calm her down. I said, "They'll find them. Don't worry." But deep down, I was a little worried too.
I understand. How long did this go on?
On the second day, we decided to just go to the beach, to forget about the bags for a couple of hours. The sea was warm, beautiful. We're swimming, sunbathing. And in the evening, the phone rings.
The airport?
Yes, they said, "We found your luggage." Anna just screamed, "Finally!" Turns out the bags got mixed up and sent to Cairo. Then someone figured it out and sent them to Hurghada.
Finally! So, how did you actually get them?
The next morning, the airport delivered the bags right to the hotel. We hear a knock on the door, open it, and there are our bags. Anna hugs them like an old friend.
That's so touching and funny at the same time.
We opened the bags, checked everything. Nothing was missing. We both breathed a sigh of relief. After that, the vacation got so much better.
What did you do after that? Did you get to relax properly?
Yes, everything went great after that. We went on a tour, went snorkeling, looked at the fish and the coral. It was all amazing.
Well, I'm glad it all ended well.
Definitely. Now I always pack a spare t-shirt in my backpack, just in case. And Anna photographs the luggage tags before every flight now.
Smart. All right, Tom. Thanks for the story. That was hilarious. Should we get back to work?
Let's go, Nina. Next time, I'll tell you about the day we went on a tour to the pyramids. There were a couple of surprises there, too.
Oh, I can't wait.